Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. In this channel we are going to discuss in engineering mathematics. Under engineering mathematics we are going to solve and discuss about differential equation previous year problems. This will be helpful for our competitive exams like TNEB assistant engineer and TRB polytechnic lecturer exam. So before going into the video, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications as in when we upload videos. Let's go into the video. First problem, eliminate the constants a and b and form z equal to ax plus by equal to ab. What is given? We need to eliminate some differential equation is given. We need to eliminate the constants a and b. Eliminate the arbitrary constants a and b. First, what is the equation? Z equal to ax plus, this is the equation, given equation, ax plus by plus ab. So, differentiate with respect to, partially differentiating in the above equation with respect to x, what we get, dou z by dou x equal to a, differentiating a only, okay. We can write it as dou z by dou x as p. We need to know some terminologies or some equivalent constant or something we need to know before solving the differential equation, that is dou z by dou x equal to p, dou z by dou y equal to q, whereas dou squared z by dou x squared equal to r, and dou squared z by dou x dou y equal to s, and dou squared z by dou y squared equal to t. This is the equivalent term for these partial differential equations, partial derivatives. Then again we can write dou z by dou x as p. Then we need to differentiate, partially differentiate in the above equation with respect to y. What we get? Dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y is nothing but b. Okay. P is equivalent to q. Okay. Where dou z by dou y equal to p equal to dou z by dou x equal to a, q equal to dou z by dou y equal to b. By substituting these in the above equation, what we will get? What is a here? A is equivalent to p. So z equal to px. Where what is b? B is equal to q. Q into y plus ab. Ab is nothing but pq. AB is nothing but pq. So what is that? Z equal to px plus qy plus pq. We have eliminated the constants a and b from this given equation. Okay. So this is the answer for this problem. Which one? Px plus qy plus pq equal to z. Option 1 is the correct option for this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. What is that? Eliminate the same thing. Eliminate arbitrary constants a and b from z equal to a squared x plus b squared y plus ab. The same concept we need to apply for the all problems. Okay. What is that? Z equal to a squared x plus b squared y plus ab. So partially differentiate with respect to y, x first. Dou z by dou x is nothing but a squared, which is equal to p. Again partially differentiate this equation with respect to y. So dou z by dou y equal to b squared only. So differentiating p is equivalent to q. So now what is a squared equal to q? What is a? A is equal to square root of q. Here b squared a squared equal to p. Sorry, a equal to square root of p. Again what is b? Square root of q. Now we are substituting this. What is a squared? A squared z equal to a squared equal to p. Px plus b squared y. B squared y is nothing but q. Q into y plus ab. A into b. A into b is nothing but square root of p into q. Square root of pq. Square root of p, square root of q is nothing but square root of pq. So this is the answer for this problem. What is that? Px plus qy plus square root of qp. Option 3 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. See, the partial differential equation by eliminating a and b from z equal to x square plus a square into y square plus b square is, what is the given equation? X square plus a square into y square plus b square. So what is the first step? We need to partially differentiating with respect to x. So dou z by dou x, which is equal to p, equal to dou z by dou x. What is that? Here x term only, 2x into this term. Keep this term as it is. Again differentiating this equation with respect to y. Q equal to dou z by dou y equal to 2y into this term x square plus a square. So right, yes. So then what is p and q? What is find out y squared by b squared is equal to, what is y squared plus b squared? Is nothing but p by 2x. This go to the denominator. Similarly, what is x square plus a square? Q by 2y. So substitute these in the above equation. Z equal to what is that? Z equal to x square plus a square is nothing but q by 2y into p by, this one is p by 2x, right? Then what is that? By simplifying, p cube by 4xy equal to z. Or can we write according to the option? Check with the option C. 4xyz equal to pq. Going this in the denominator, what is in the denominator? 4xy, that will go to the that side. 4xyz equal to pq. Option 4 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next example problems. Eliminate a and b from z equal to x plus a into y plus b. What is given? Z equal to x plus a into y plus b. What we need to do first? Partially differentiate with respect to x. So p equal to dou z by dou x equal to, what is that? 1 only into y plus b, right? Differentiating with respect to x, we will give 1. This is constant with 0. So this term only, keep this term as it is. Again q equal to dou z by dou y equal to nothing but x plus a. So what is x plus a? X plus a equal to p. X plus a equal to q and y plus b equal to p. So substitute in this form, x plus a equal to q, y plus b equal to into y plus b equal to p. Z equal to qp, z equal to qp or z equal to pq. Option 2 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. What is that? Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants in z equal to x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus 1 equals 0. What is given? Z equal, given equation is y minus b the whole square plus 1. Now what we need to do? P equal to partially differentiating but with respect to x is nothing but 2 into x minus a. This remaining term will get cancelled. So again partially differentiating this equation with respect to y, q equal to dou z by dou y equal to 2 into y minus b. So what we need to do? What is x minus a here? X minus a is nothing but p by 2, right? Again what is y minus b? Y minus b equal to q by 2, right? What is the equation? X minus a the whole square nothing but p by 2 the whole square. P by 2 the whole square nothing but p squared by 4. Again what is y minus b? Q by 2. Q by 2 the whole square is nothing but q squared by 4 plus 1 equal to z. By further simplifying, how can we write? P square plus q square taking LCM plus 4 divided by 4, that will go to that side as 4z. In the denominator 4 will be divided by 4 p square plus q square plus 4 divided by 4, that we can cross multiply with that or in the RHS side, what we get? 4 into z. So p square plus q square plus 4 equal to 4z. See which option will match. See, option 2, 4z equal to p square plus q square plus 4. Option 2 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. This is like what is given? Z equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. What is given? The given equation is, okay. Now what we need to do? Partially differentiating with respect to x equal to a only, right? Again partially differentiating with respect to y. Q equal to dou z by dou y equal to b only. Remaining are constant. These are this is also will get eliminated because it is differentiating with respect to y only. So what is p equal to a and q equal to b. So in place of a substitute p, in place of b substitute by q. So from this equation z equal to a px plus b. What is b? Q. Q into y. What is a squared? A squared equal to p squared. What is b squared? B squared equal to q squared. So z equal to px plus qy plus p square plus q square is the right is the answer for this problem. Which one? Option 1 is the right option for this problem. Z equal to px plus qy plus p square plus q square. We'll move on to the next problem. What is that? Log of az minus 1 equal to x plus ay plus b. What is given? Logarithmic of az minus 1 equal to x plus ay plus b. So now what we need to do? Differentiating partially with respect to x. So dou z by dou x, by differentiating log x is nothing but 1 by az minus 1. In place of z, again differentiating az, we will get a only and dou z by dou x because we are differentiating with respect to x only, right? Dou z by dou x equal to, what is that? Differentiating with respect to 1, we are getting 1 only. So this is 1. So differentiating 1 by az minus 1 into a into dou z by dou x equal to 1. We know that dou z by dou x equal to p only. So 1 by az minus 1 into a into p equal to 1. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Next we need to partially differentiate with respect to y. So 1 by az minus 1 into a into dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y. In this term dou z by dou y, by differentiating we will get a. So what is dou z by dou y? We know that 1 by az minus 1 into a into q equal to a. So this and this get cancelled. What we will get? 1 by az minus 1 into q equal to 1. This is equation 3. From this find out the value for p. Value for p, how can we find? A by az minus 1. Go to that side as az minus 1. Right, az minus 1 divided by a. Again by simplifying what we will get, I am writing here ap cross multiply ap, sorry, from this only ap will go to that side as az minus 1. So move this, take this az to this side, what we will get? A common. So p minus z equal to minus 1, or can we write a into, by changing sign or multiply by minus sign, can we write like this? A into z minus p equal to plus 1. So a into z minus p equal to plus 1. What is a? To find out a is nothing but 1 by z minus p. We need to find out a equal to 1 by z minus p. From this, what is q? 1 by q is nothing but a into z minus 1, right? From this equation, what is q? I am writing here. Q is equal to a into z minus 1. Then a equal to 1 by z minus p, right? Substitute a value in this equation. What we get? A into z. So 1 by z minus p into z minus 1. This is q, right? 1 by z minus 1 into p. So what is q? Z by z minus p equal to 1. Z by z minus p equal p minus 1. So multiply this q, this denominator, what we will get? Q into z minus p, taking LCM. Here z minus z plus p equal to z minus p. This and this get cancelled. So q into z minus p equal to p, right? Q into z minus p equal to p, right? Q into z minus p equal to, in numerator what is remaining? P only. So q into z minus p equal to p. So multiply by q inside, q into qz minus qp, qz minus qp equal to p. This minus qp go to that side. So qz equal to, what is that? P plus pq. P plus pq is nothing but p into q plus 1. So q into p plus 1 equal to zq equal to p into q plus 1. So zq equal to p into q plus 1 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. What is given? X squared plus a squared equal to y squared by b squared plus z squared by c squared equal to 0. What is the given equation? Squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared plus z squared by c squared equal to 1. So now we need to, what we need to do? We need to partially differentiating with respect to x. So p equal to dou z by dou x equal to 2x by a squared, right? 2x by a squared. This term won't come. Then for this 2z by c squared into dou z by dou x equal to 0. In this term constant only, so it is 0. Again, what is that? Differentiate. We can simplify, right? X by, we can simplify as x by a squared plus z by c squared dividing by 2. This term p equal to dou z by dou x. First we need to partially differentiating with respect to x. For that 2x by a square plus 2y this term will not come. 2z by c squared equal into dou z by dou x, what we know is equal to p equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. Say this is a equation 2. Then see, partially differentiating with respect to y, what we get? 2y by b squared into 2z by c squared into dou z by dou y equal to 0. So by simplifying, what we will get? Y by b square by z by c square into q. Dou z by dou y is nothing but q. So this is equation 2. So from this, what we can understand? X by c, differentiating, again differentiating this equation 2 with respect to x. What we 1 by a squared, 1 by c squared in common. So it is uv formula. u dv plus v du. It is in the form of uv. So keep z as constant, and by differentiating p, what we will get? P is nothing but dou z by dou x. Again differentiating, what we will get? Dou squared z by dou z square, dou x square. So p is nothing but dou z by dou x. Now by differentiating, again with respect to x, what we will get? Dou squared z by dou x squared. So what is the equivalent term for dou squared z by dou x squared is nothing but r. Then keep p as constant and differentiate this term. Z term is nothing but dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x equal to p. P into p squared. So is it clear? See, 1 by c squared, take 1 by c squared outside. This is a constant. We need to differentiate with respect to x. Again, this equation number 2. So x is nothing but 1 by a square plus take 1 by c squared in constant. It is like UV formula. So keep z as constant by differentiating this term. This term is nothing but dou z by dou x. Again differentiating, what we will get? Dou squared z by dou x squared. Dou squared z by dou x squared is nothing but, equivalent term is nothing but r. We can represent dou squared z by dou x squared equal to r. Then plus p. P as constant. Then differentiate this term. By differentiating z with respect to x, what we will get? Partially differentiating z with respect to x, what we will get? Dou z by dou x. What is dou z by dou x is nothing but p. Already one p is here, so p into p is nothing but p squared. So say this is equation number 4. So this is the equation number 4. Multiply by x in equation number 4. What we will get? X by a square plus is equal to 0, right? In right hand side equal to 0. In x by a square plus x by c square x zr. X zr by c square plus x p squared by c squared equal to 0. From equation 2, what is x by a squared? X by a squared is nothing but minus zp by c squared, right? So substitute that term here, minus zp by c squared. From this equation, find out what is x by a squared equal to minus zp by c squared. Here remaining term x zr by c squared plus xp squared by c squared equal to 0. So this c squared is in common, that will go to that side as 0. So what is that? Minus zp plus x zr plus xp squared equal to 0. So how can we write? This minus zp go to that side as xp squared plus x zr equal to zp. So this is the answer for this problem. Pz xp square plus xzr equal to option 1. Option 1 is the correct option for this problem. So we'll move on to the next problem. What is that? X by a plus y by a plus z by c equal to 1. What we need to do? Differentiate partially with respect to x. First of all, write the equation x by a plus y by a plus z by c equal to 1. This is a only, don't confuse. So partially differentiating with respect to x, what we will get? 1 by a plus dou z by dou x. 1 by c into dou z by dou x is nothing but p equal to 0. So it is equation 2. See, said this is a equation 1. Again partially differentiating with respect to y, what we will get? 1 by a plus 1 by c into dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y is nothing but q. So say this is the equation 2. See, 2 minus 3. What we will get? Equation 2 minus equation 3 minus what we will get? This and this will get cancelled. So 1 by c p minus 1 by c into q equal to 0. Take 1 by c common, p minus q equal to 0. So 1 by c go to that side as 0. So p minus q equal to, p minus q equal to 0. So what is the option? Option 2 is the right option for this problem. So I end up this video up to this. Kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications. Thanks for watching.